दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद only on Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. It's hot.
Hello.
Kishore!
Who?
Kishore, you remember me? I'm calling from Bangkok. पता है?
You're calling from?
I am calling from Bangkok. You remember me, Noah?
Noah?
You remember me, Night?
Yes,
You are not coming back again.
I will.
We went to Pattaya together, beach, then hotel.
Yes, had lot of fun.
Yeah, we had lot of fun.
Yes.
You very naughty.
It's okay. It was lot of fun.
Naughty. How's your family?
All well. How are you?
You are naughty. You didn't tell me you have a family. You told me later.
But I told you later, na?
How are you? You remember?
I remember you every day and evening.
You remember we in hotel? You naughty.
Yes. Good hotel, good place.
We took photograph. You remember?
Yes, lot of photographs.
Kissing.
Yes, during the kiss.
You are very handsome. I always look your photograph.
Yeah, that photograph, Rosie, I remember.
Rosie, no Nova.
Oh, Noah, last trip, huh? Noah, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You remember, you know. Yeah.
Send me that photograph, na? That we took during kissing.
You naughty.
Don't know, but I need
you're
that photograph.
naughty.
I'm missing you.
You want to see me?
Yes, I want to see you. I want to remember that moment.
You remember hotel?
Send me all 52.
beach.
Yeah, I remember hotel, tuk-tuk, beach.
Tuk-tuk. We were sitting in a tuk-tuk. Yeah, I love you.
I also love you. No, just
Ah.
send the photograph. WhatsApp me right now.
I am not WhatsApping you. I am tagging you on Facebook. You will check after 1 minute. I have 52 photographs. Your name is Kishore Jaiswal. I am tagging you right now, one by one. Facebook.
No.
Let me
tagging on
tagging
Facebook.
you, naughty.
No, Noah. No, not on Facebook. No Facebook photo.
Why? I want to tag you on Facebook.
No tagging on Facebook.
But I love you. Don't you love me?
बोल तो रहा हूँ तेरे को I love you 10 बार लेकिन no tagging. I love you.
I
love
want
you,
to
सच्ची.
tag you 1 minute
No,
after
no.
52. Let me
अरे
tag you.
सच्ची I love you. No tagging. I love you but no tagging.
Jaiswal, where is Kishore Jaiswal? Tagging you right now.
Oh Noah, सुन ना. Noah,
Yes.
where are you?
You don't love me.
Oh, I love you, Noah. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Why not tagging?
Oh, no tagging. It is not good. And in India, ban tagging. Everyone is banned on tagging. One can tag.
No one
And
can tag.
person will go to jail. I will not come to Bangkok if you tag.
Oh my God.
Don't tag.
Is she your wife? She's so pretty.
Who?
The pink suit.
No. She's no more. Died. Plane crash accident. So don't tag. Huh? No?
No, I'm tagging you. This is so.
Oh, no. Don't tag on Facebook. Or no, you have Orkut account?
No, coat.
You create an account on Orkut and tag me there. All 50 photographs. We will watch every day.
Okay, come to Bangkok.
I will come and spend 5
Don't
days
you
with you.
love me?
कह रहे हैं यार
I
love.
want to talk to you.
No, we can't talk right now. Understand?
Why?
I'm on funeral in my wife na right now. Abhi, so can't talk.
You are on funeral. What happened?
She told you na accident, plane crash. No, she die.
My God.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is so bad.
Yeah. Very bad.
You are not alone. I love you. But don't you love me?
I love you, yaar.
Okay, I'll call you later.
Okay.
दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद दिल्ली का डॉन नवेद only on Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. It's hot.